The first step to financial freedom isn't what you think. It actually starts by tracking every dollar that you spend. Don't worry, you don't need to do it forever, just for 1 week, because you cannot manage what you do not measure. So try tracking your spending for at least a week and let me know what surprises you the most. Still living paycheck to paycheck? Well, this one habit will help change that. Pay yourself first. Even if it's only $10, pay yourself first. So here's my challenge to you. Set up your auto transfer today so when you get paid, you pay yourself into a separate bank account. You'll be surprised how fast that money adds up. Most people miss this in a budget, and it winds up costing them. Include annual expenses like gifts, holidays, and your car registration. Budget a small amount of money each month to put aside for these. Comment below on something that you forgot that you have to pay annually. Want to save $500 really fast? Yeah, so do I. It starts by not spending $500 really fast. You'll be surprised how much you can spend in a week. So go through your pantry, eat what's in there, don't eat takeout. See what you can unsubscribe from. Don't look at those emails. In fact, just unsubscribe from those emails constantly showing up in your inbox asking you to buy. By saving your money, you'll be able to put more money away. Why your budget isn't working and how you can fix it. You're not budgeting for your life. If you're not budgeting the way that you live, take a look at what you're spending money on, figure out where you can make adjustments at, and move on from there. I have one mindset shift for you that will change how you see money forever. When you're thinking about buying something, don't ask yourself, can I afford this? Ask yourself, does this help me reach my goals? Because your money should be supporting your goals. And if it's not, then you're not spending it in the right place. If you're tired of feeling broke, here's one simple thing you can do to keep track of how you're doing. Figure out your net worth. This is your assets minus your debts. By keeping track of this and reviewing it monthly, you'll be able to see if you're making progress. And then you can make adjustments from there.